Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there? Dante Bueno, Only Wood Floors. I'm here in Santa Ana, and we are going to sand and refinish these original hardwood floors that came with the house. So this is one of those where we're going to do half of the house and then the other half. But take a look. They have carpet down the floors, so we're going to repair that. See the nice red oak grain. Got a couple boards here that we're going to change out. Looks like, as you can see, they changed out a couple of boards themselves. But get all that going right there. We're going to swap all those boards out that are broken. And they want to go with a Jocko beam stain here. So that's what we're looking at today. So there, we're going to go ahead and repair that area. You can more or less see what it looks like in a couple of hours. But yeah, a lot of wear and tear on this floor, but hey, this wood is still good. It's going to look like a brand new floor once it's all said and done.
All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors. Back over here in Santa Ana, finishing up. We had a lot of repairs and stuff to do. I think Dante did a video yesterday when we just got started, but we got here this morning. We got, bam! This is what you see. Boom. Check out the video earlier, yesterday, and we replaced a whole lot of boards over here. You can't even tell. Put these reducers in so it's flush with the tile. It looks finished, but we got one more coat of finish. We're going to polish it down, lightly sand it, smooth it out, and then one more coat of finish. And actually, we're going to be back Friday to do the bedrooms in here. So there it is. Man, what a difference. What a difference. All right. Come back Friday, and you'll see the bedrooms.